Hey guys, welcome back to another video. What's up? Wagwan. So today we're gonna be making Rasta pasta. Alright, so we're gonna make some Rasta pasta. So we're gonna start with actually we're gonna have Rasta pasta with shrimp. So we're gonna get some butter melting in the pot. I have some water going on over here for the pasta. Ask me why I have two pot going. Two different type of pasta. So first we're gonna get the butter melting. So as it melts, I have some shrimp, pre-cooked shrimp over here. I did wash it just in case, you never know. And I did season it a little bit. They're already cooked, so they're not gonna be in the pot for too long. So as the butter melts, I'm gonna put them in for like 2 minutes on each side, because again they're already cooked. So yeah, I'm gonna get these going. I'm just literally just probably warming them up. It is on high flame. It's fine. Eventually I'm gonna have to turn it down. I think this is my second time making this dish. And we're going to use the same pot that the shrimp is in to make the sauce. Why waste all this flavor? I'll use a different pot, right? So just flip it, give it 2 minutes, flip it, 2 minutes, take it out, and then we're going to get to the sauce. And get a plate so I can put them in. Right, here it goes, it's bubbling up. It's going, it's going, it's going. So when I finish with these, we're going to come back and show you guys how I make the sauce. And again, the water is over here boiling for the pasta. Alright. Alright guys, so the shrimp, they're done. We're going to use this sauce, well, gravy or whatever, butter sauce that's in the pot. I'm going to use it to make the cream sauce for the pasta. So I did cut up some garlic, bell peppers, and onion. So we're gonna get these melting down in the pot. I did cook butter. I don't think I need any more. So we're gonna have these melting down. Nope, the water is boiling. So we're gonna put the pasta in that pot. This pot right here. I already have salt. And then the back one, I'm going to be using white pasta. Let's give it a stir so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Wheat and white pasta. Alright, so we're going to cover the pot, not fully, because it's going to be boiling over the stove and that's more work for me. Let's go back to the sauce. I'm gonna get this cooking for a little bit. Garlic, bell peppers, and onion. I'll let that cook for a minute. And so we're gonna put some Jamaican jerk seasoning. But first we're gonna put the cream cheese, and then we're gonna put the cream milk, and make the sauce. And we have to definitely season our sauce. Alright guys, so now we're gonna add a little bit of Alfredo. This is a cheese part of it. Give it a stir. Maybe we're gonna need more, but just, and this is heavy cream. I'm gonna add some more. This is cream, it's fine. And Jamaican jerk seasoning. Probably this will work because this one is hot and spicy. Should be good. And since we did use the shrimp, the seasoning from the shrimp, we're not gonna add too much seasoning. I'm gonna add a little bit of all-purpose because the cheese has all that salt already. The jerk seasoning has all that salt, so we're not gonna add too much seasoning. Just a little bit. Season the sauce. Can't go wrong. A little bit of black pepper, little tips, and some garlic powder. Even though I did put garlic, but a little bit more won't hurt, right? Alright, let's give this a stir. I'm gonna need a lot of sauce, so I think I'm gonna need more. Look at that. How creamy that is. Alright, let's add some more cream. I know Jay needs help. I don't know. You'll be alright. That's what happened when you cook. So we did use all of it. Use all of that. We need a lot of sauce because it's gonna, the pasta is gonna soak all the sauce up, so we need a lot. So we're gonna have this cooking for a little bit more. Did I miss anything else? Give me my phone. All right. So we're gonna have this cooking for a little bit. And then we're gonna add the shrimp in the sauce, and then we're gonna dump all the sauce on the pasta when it's finished cooking. So this is my sauce for my Rasta pasta. So then let it cook for a minute, and then when it's finished, I'll come back and show you guys how I just put everything together, okay? I'll be right back. All right, so this is the sauce. Gonna put some in the bowl so I can easily stir it in. I don't know, maybe I did use too much pasta, hopefully not. Put some sauce in, and then we can stir it up so I can incorporate with the, let's see if I need more sauce. If I do, oops, I'm wasting it. Yeah, I think I need some more sauce. Don't want it to be too dry. And put more shrimp. I want it to be short of shrimp either. So let's get that in. Alright. Here it is. Hope you guys can see it. There you go. This is our Rasta pasta with shrimp. Add a little bit more because I have enough for the other pasta. Right, so we're gonna strain the other pasta and then we're gonna add it to that pot. All right guys, so we're back. The sauce is finished. Now I'm gonna strain the water off the pasta. So we're gonna do the wheat one first. Alright, all of the water should be drained off. And then I'm gonna dump it in this bowl so it can be easily. Alright, so we're gonna do the wheat pasta first. So let's get the sauce over here closer. Let's get the sauce. Sauce at the boss. Alright. So the sauce over here. You guys can see it. I'll show you guys a close up. The shrimp. I did have the shrimp in. See the shrimp? Alright, so okay guys, so this is the white pasta and that's the wheat pasta. So give it a stir. Ooh. That looks really good. Ooh, okay. I think I did use too much pasta. Ooh, guess what? Can put some in the fridge for another day. But that is creamy, that is looking good. Let's try this one. That one is creamy too. Look at that. Ooh. So normally when we're eating pasta, we don't put it in a plate, we put it in a bowl. So this is our little pasta bowl. And I'm gonna put some in so you guys can see. Hopefully they like it. Hopefully, let's keep our fingers crossed because my kids are very picky. Very picky. So let's see. Let's try a piece. Nice. See that? Got all that color, different color bell peppers. Look at the shrimp. Yummy. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I want you guys to like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, tell your friends about the plumbing world, and please subscribe. Comment down below what other videos you want us to do. Tell me what you think about my way of making my Rasta pasta with shrimp. Yeah, so have a good day guys. See you in the next video. Bye.